Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to One Head Gaming. Back here with Zelda. Just finished the fire jump.
Now jump.
But that's lava.
Yeah, so
That's bad.
not to us. It's just another day in the life of Link.
No.
Not you.
Don't confuse him.
Her dog's name is Link too.
Yeah.
Hero of time, he is not.
He's got the quiet down and the pointy ears.
No,
And the goofiness.
No, he's way too talkative.
He does talk a lot.
Yeah.
He huffs.
As far as a hero of time, he only makes it to the part where like you find him asleep in the beginning. Yeah.
Oh shit, that means we gotta do the forest, or the water temple.
Yes, it does.
It's gonna hurt. Ow. Oh wait, I heard something.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's you.
Mike, what are you doing?
I'm trying to hit it, but I forgot it's not that.
Okay. Or is it not only at night?
That's the next level down.
What?
The Scotula.
Oh, I thought it was supposed to be here.
We have Lake Hylia's song, you know.
Oh yeah, huh?
And we have the tunic.
Pause?
Okay. During our quest to get the sword, we had to complete the ice temple.
Yeah,
Or
ice cavern, yeah. A.
Yeah.
Thanks. I can get the scarecrow and go fishing.
Yeah. No, we can't go fishing yet. We don't have the plant.
What plant?
Remember that water is not full, so we can't get up there?
That's what the scarecrow's for.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go get the scarecrows now.
Scarecrow?
Scarecrow. I kind of why I don't want to do the water temple yet. What?
Procrastination only gets you so far.
But fishing's important.
No, it's not.
You get a heart piece.
Huh?
You get a heart piece.
You
Oh no,
take
we
the
get the
scale?
scale, yeah.
We got herpes.
Is when you're a kid.
Yeah. Really?
Oh,
Yeah, we got it on our first go within like, what, 2 minutes?
yeah, you're like, huh. Hey, you. What's the song?
Left, right, down.
Wait.
Talk to him.
Yeah.
Closer.
Okay.
There we go.
Nah.
Okay. Okay.
Go kill that guy.
I'll kill you!
Thanks.
So you're right. There's also a heart piece up there we can get.
Oh, yeah. But that stupid crow doesn't kill me. Wait. I need to wait for the water.
I was waiting for the water.
Nope.
Because this is not important.
Yeah, it is.
Is it closed? No, he's open.
It's always open.
Can we take us out?
If we get the fish pretty quickly.
Oh, now that's important.
Yeah. Where's your phone?
My butt.
Timer.
Alright.
Hold on.
Oh, press the button.
Sure.
Buttons.
Yes.
I can't see. There's a thingy in the way.
Alright.
I'm gonna go fishing. Got to fishing.
That gift, we saw the guy who's on drugs. He's like,
Oh, yeah.
pretending he caught a shark, like a great white, and he's struggling to pull it up. But in reality, he's just messing with his vacuum because he's high on drugs.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I scared it. Whoopsie.
Good fucking job.
Sorry. I can get closer.
Gonna spend all our money.
We have 200 rupees.
It's all our money.
Oh?
This is all we have in the world.
No, there's still some more. Whoops.
See? Guy knows what he's talking about.
He's never had a customer besides us. He's a terrible businessman.
Businessman, yes. Fisherman, great. I think he got all these fish here. He fished them all.
From
It
where?
hurts. Lake Hylia?
You saved all the fish before it went under.
Yeah. He's a good man.
Terrible businessman, though.
Good man, though.
Alright, don't roll. Oops. No, don't do that. Stop it! There. Whee! Hello? No, you want it. Come on.
Come on.
Oh. Whee!
Okay. I'm sure this is very enticing for you guys to watch.
You got any fishing stories? Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in!
Why'd you panic?
Because the far one is gonna get it.
That it?
No. There it is.
No,
Yeah,
it's this
there.
one.
No, it's that one.
Sure.
Oh.
No, it's the right. You're a terrible fisherman. You've never actually been fishing, have you?
Nope.
Nope, to the right.
It's not letting me go to the right. We lost
See
it.
it? No, it's right there. See it?
We can't get it. It has to be in that little spot.
Hmm.
Yeah, the other one was coming in and he would have grabbed it and scared him anyway.
You may fast forward.
Yeah. We'll come back when we got it on the hook.
Reel it in.
I'm trying to.
Angles. Angles.
Oh. Come on, I can lift rocks. Why can't I get a fish?
Now the gauntlet's on.
You can still lift rocks.
Oop, by the way.
Ugh. Ah, damn it! I'll be back. Come on, fish.
Someone's a fighter.
Oi. No. Eek. Come on.
Just the horrible cranking sound of the reel.
Come here. I just want to put you in a fish tank.
A display for everyone to see.
Uh-huh.
Meaning me and the shopkeeper.
All people come here.
Until I fix the leg. I'm sure it's just a plumbing issue. I'm gonna get a snake. Let's crank out the drain.
Ooh, can't imagine what's in there. The
Yeah,
Morpho? Is that what it's called?
Morphos.
Yeah.
Morpheus.
Come on. He's getting tired.
I think Link's getting tired.
Just pull me in. Whoa. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I almost missed it. Ugh. It's back and forth. Come on. Stop jumping. What's the biggest fish you caught?
Like 21.
Really?
Yeah.
In real life?
On real life?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 21.
Oh, how big is it? Like
Long.
long?
About the size of your TV.
Yeesh. What'd you do with it?
I think we ate it. What does he do with a fish that big?
I don't know, put it back.
Oh,
No.
that was dinner. That was a king that night.
What about all the little bones?
If you do it right, you'll be fine.
Ah, just eat the fillet.
Mm-hmm.
They got bones in it.
If you eat it right, you'll be fine.
Ooh. No, thank you.
I love fish.
Oh, fish bones.
You ever had fish eye?
Mm-mm.
It's weird.
Is it gooey?
Yeah.
Ew.
It's something you have to pair with something else.
Smothered in sauce or something.
I don't seaweed.
Hmm.
Like
God
seaweed.
damn it, fish.
I feel like so calm about it too.
Mm-hmm.
This is like pure epic battle music.
Mm-hmm. Going in there with iron boots with a sword.
Just come back with it on the end of your sword.
Yeah. Submerged from the water. Oh, it's on the...
Fuck it, you know what? I'm taking it.
Grab it with your hands. Oh. It was so close too.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Eesh. I think we're gonna lose it.
You zoom in. Pull straight back.
Getting tired? Oh. Come on. Ooh, it's getting tired.
Come on.
We're right there. Pull it!
Come on. Woo!
Jesus Christ.
Got it. Got it. Oh shit, that's a big fish. They could just like fly and slap us in the face.
Yeah. Oh, break our neck. Hell yeah. Let's get the hell out of here.
Shut up, Navi. I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna use you as bait.
Put her on the hook.
Alright, now we have one more thing to do when we're here.
We have to.
Yes, we have to. Hey, I told you we didn't have to do this, and we spent what? How long? Wrong time. 24 minutes.
Alright. Get it.
Now we gotta get the fish first, or he'll take away our fish.
Really?
Yeah. Whoa.
Thank you.
Oh, isn't there nothing snarky to say?
Yeah. We have all my money, so you better not say anything.
Where
Alright.
are you going?
Get the heart pieces.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna do that real quick and then,
Get ready to go to the temple.
yeah. Put it off as long as I could.
Yep, can't avoid it for too long. How did we lose a heart?
When we jumped off the building? Or the mountain?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe closer.
Oh. Push it.
Those are weird sounding crows.
Can we do it?
Yeah, a little closer.
Here. Don't knock me off. What did I just say?
You just came straight down on us. That's right, you better run.
Can you go on the ladder? Maybe.
If you aim for the ladder.
I was right in front of him!
Mm-mm.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Fucker. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah! Give me the bow and arrow. I'm gonna kill him.
Alright. I'm gonna save it, just in case.
No, I got it. Eh. Really?
This is what this crow lives for.
Where is he? Shish.
Happy?
Yes. On another crow.
A full flock. There's another crow.
Give the damn ladder. Jesus.
She's having a bad time right now.
Uh,
Catch your damn fish, though.
yeah. Give me hearts. Whee.
Backflip.
Sure. Where's the door?
Where's the door? Go.
Ooh. Die, die, die. Hey, money.
Is that the money we just lost?
Everybody's in on it. They got a
Yep.
racketeering thing going on here. A racket.
Get him on a Rico charge.
Is that the farthest you can go?
Yeah.
8 seconds? Give me.
I've been watching you. You touched the bottom, didn't you?
Ooh. There's a
Please.
shark down there.
Touch the bottom again.
Ew. Yeah, there's a shark down there.
I'll give you my heart if you touch the
Yeah, let's
bottom.
get out of here. Yeah, there's a shark in
I
the
know.
bottom of that. Kind of spooky.
It's probably dead.
Oh, yeah, it can't move.
Yeah, it can't move.
Whoops.
Whoops, he knew what he was doing.
Maybe it was an evil monster killing people and he reined it in.
Send it after Morphos.
Alright, here we go, clanking around.
Don't worry, I got my sword.
It's useless underwater.
Torpedo!
What if that's like working just and all the water goes
It's like, oh, I don't have to go in here.
Alright. And we will save this for the next episode because I
Yeah.
really hate this level.
Yeah.
Goodbye!
Bye.